Go. Yay!
Woo!
Push, push, push. No, no, stay away from her. She wants to get closer. Okay, now I'll turn her around. Look at her go.
Wow.
Okay, go over there, Daddy. You can take a picture. Ready? Ready? Go!
Woo! Look at her go.
Hey, I'm gonna hit Daddy.
All right. Yes, let's jump inside. You can help me, Kara.
No, you gotta turn around.
Okay, back up. Go back.
Yep.
Now go. Go, go, go.
Let her go. Look where you're going, Haley. Okay, start to turn.
Turn this
Turn
way.
slowly. There you go.
Go, go, go.
Push on her seat, not her. And not too fast. Mom, I'll clean that up.
I'm helping you, so we're going to get going.
Now go, go, go.